Hello everyone and welcome back to Pixel Sheets. Today we're diving into the sum formula. So the sum formula seems fairly straightforward, but it does trip people up. I have seen a lot of users presenting information and they will simply do this equals this cell plus this cell plus this cell. While this does get you the answer, it's not the function within Excel. Plus, imagine if you had to do that all the way down. So within Excel and also Sheets, it'll work as sum, and it asks for a series of inputs, number 1, number 2, number 3, etc. You can do individual cells if you choose to. However, this is kind of just recreating what was being done before as far as referencing the cells. The ideal way of doing it is you're selecting a range. So in this case, it's this entire piece here. So I'm selecting it, closing with parentheses. Now, if you notice, the range is separated by a colon. The start of the range with the end of the range. End of the range being C43, top of the range being C4. And hit enter, there's your value. Now, to be fair, if all you want to do is get a quick sum of an entire column, the easier thing probably is just to highlight the entire column. And down here at the bottom, Excel will actually tell you what the sum total is. 854, same result. However, in the case of, let's say you have a spreadsheet that is reliant on another tab. So for instance, this value for Apple at 59. Let's say it was a VLOOKUP of a more dynamic number that's coming in. So you can't come into this spreadsheet continually and say, well, what's the sum? You would want to run a formula running the sum total. Let's also say that, again, as I've said in some other tutorial videos, that you don't want to show the work behind the scenes. You don't want to show this big list. You just want to say, sum, average, etc. on a header sheet or some quick piece that you can grab, do a screenshot of, throw it into a PowerPoint, whatever it may be. This is the much more logical and simpler way of doing it, rather than hopping into a hidden sheet, a nested sheet, and then highlighting the entire column and then writing it in there. So hopefully you have learned how to do the sum function. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel and other program tips and tricks. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.